Hi guys, kuma reading wami normally ngithi you take what resonates with you and leave the rest. Uzothola reading A1 parts walawo ma reading are resonate no someone, parts amanye ama parts are resonate no someone, but into engicelayo ngicela sibe respectful and futhi singajahi ukujumpa to ama conclusions. Angimazi lo muntu enikhuluma ngaye kulama comment wale video engiyipostile, so bengicela ukuthi nani ngicela ningambully because yabona umuntu ohamba nge-double cap grade can be anyone. Fanele uyifactor leyo nto or uyiconsider. Yabona bengenza lama prediction, mina ngenza lento engiyibonayo then ngirelaya leyo message. Akusi prediction yokuqala ukuthi izinto zenzekile, angithi this is not the first prediction. If unami ziningi izinto engingazipredicta zenzeka, yabona, it's just that kule nje iye yangishaya kakhulu for some reason because it happened I think a month after or weeks after, and I didn't want to ngikhulume ngayo ngesikhathi se yabona the time isase fresh, but ngicela sibe responsible lana online bafethu. Let's not bully each other and let's not jump into conclusions because indaba kaDubule is sensitive, vele inabantu bomthetho phakathi who are actively investigating le ndaba. So thina as umphakathi ngicela singa conclude. There's a reason why mengenza lama reading mama angikhuluma amagama abantu, angiwakhuluma amagama abantu because i-public platform le. It can be anyone. Nathi esidini lethu as umphakathi, let's try not to defeat the ends of justice. Singa interfere futhi, yabona, singa interfere. Ngicela sihloniphaneni, ngicela ungazenzeli ke i-conclusion yakho. It can be anyone. Angikhuluma ngagama lo muntu, yabona, but ekugcineni iqiniso lizovela. Sinomthetho osebenzayo, so because of leya video ngicela ningabully, ningangeni nobullier that leya chat, yabona, ningambully because of le video. Bekungasi intention or purpose yayo leyo post. Yeah, cela sihloniphaneni kakhulu kule app because omunye umuntu uzoyithatha nge-high grade besazi conclude yena azithathela ama-actions wakhe, yabona. So let's not bully each other bafethu and singaconclude izinto ngabantu singena facts. I don't, okay guys, I don't ang-inbox umuntu. Ama reading wami ngayenza if ngiwayenza la kule app, ngiwayenza kule app. Anye ngi-inbox if uya resonate ne reading yami wena uzongithola. If iyafika kuwe, if ya aligna nomoya wakho uzongithola wena, uzongifonela singene ku private. But ngiyabonga guys, ngicela simrespecte uMr. Angithi lo bekumngani wakhe, ngicela simrespecte because ayika prove ukuthi uye obani. Kusase open investigation, nikhumbule. Ngiyabonga guys, thank you for understanding.